Welcome to NeoTech-Lens, your ultimate destination for the latest updates on cutting-edge technology, AI innovations, futuristic gadgets, and everything shaping the tech-driven world. Stay ahead of the curve with insightful content, breaking tech news, and in-depth discussions on how technology impacts our daily lives. Join us to explore the future, one lens at a time.
The world of artificial intelligence is no stranger to groundbreaking advancements. Yet, the arrival of Qwen 3, a family of large language models developed by Alibaba's Damo Academy, marks a significant leap forward. Qwen 3 is not just another AI model, it's a statement. It signals China's growing dominance in the AI landscape, challenging the established players with its open-weight approach and cutting-edge capabilities. Qwen 3's arrival heralds a new era where AI is more accessible, powerful, and versatile than ever before. This is not merely a technological advancement, it's a paradigm shift with the potential to reshape industries, redefine possibilities, and influence the very fabric of our digital future. The impact of Qwen 3 is already being felt globally, sending ripples through the tech community and beyond. Its open-weight nature, combined with its impressive performance benchmarks, has positioned it as a formidable force in the ongoing AI revolution. As we delve deeper into the intricacies of Qwen 3, we'll uncover the reasons behind its growing influence and explore the profound implications it holds for the future of AI. One of the most groundbreaking aspects of Qwen 3 is its open-weight nature. This means that the model's weights, the very essence of its training and knowledge, are freely available for anyone to use, modify, and distribute under the Apache 2.0 license. This stands in stark contrast to the closed-source approach adopted by some of the other leading AI models, marking a significant departure from the industry norm. The implications of this open-weight approach are far-reaching. By making Qwen 3's inner workings accessible, Alibaba has effectively democratized access to cutting-edge AI technology. Researchers, developers, and even hobbyists can now leverage the power of Qwen 3 to build upon its foundation, fostering a collaborative ecosystem of innovation. This open approach not only accelerates the pace of AI development, but also promotes transparency and trust. With Qwen 3, the black box of AI becomes a glass box, allowing for greater scrutiny, understanding, and ultimately, wider acceptance of this transformative technology. This transparency is crucial for addressing ethical concerns and ensuring that AI is developed and deployed responsibly for the benefit of all. Qwen 3's impressive capabilities are deeply rooted in its massive scale and sophisticated architecture. With a staggering 235 billion parameters, the model dwarfs many of its predecessors in sheer size, enabling it to capture and process information with remarkable depth and nuance. These parameters, analogous to the connections between neurons in the human brain, are trained on a vast data set of 36 trillion tokens, encompassing text and code from diverse sources. This massive scale, however, is only one part of the equation. Qwen 3 leverages a transformer-based architecture, a cutting-edge neural network design renowned for its ability to handle sequential data like language with exceptional proficiency. This architecture allows the model to capture long-range dependencies in text, understanding context and relationships between words even across extended passages. Furthermore, Qwen 3 comes in various sizes and configurations, catering to different needs and resource constraints. While the largest models offer unparalleled performance, smaller versions are optimized for deployment on devices with limited computational power, making Qwen 3 adaptable to a wide range of applications. This scalability, coupled with its robust architecture, positions Qwen 3 as a versatile tool capable of tackling a diverse set of tasks across various domains. One of the most innovative features of Qwen 3 is its hybrid reasoning capability. This unique approach allows the model to seamlessly switch between two distinct modes of operation, a fast response mode and a deep thinking mode. This dynamic switching enables Qwen 3 to strike a balance between speed and accuracy, adapting to the specific demands of the task at hand. The fast response mode, as the name suggests, is optimized for speed. This mode is ideal for tasks that require quick and efficient responses, such as simple question answering, text generation, or translation. In this mode, Qwen 3 leverages its vast knowledge base and processing power to deliver rapid results without compromising accuracy on simpler tasks. On the other hand, The deep thinking mode is activated when faced with more complex challenges that require intricate reasoning and multi-step problem solving. In this mode, Qwen 3 engages in a more deliberate and analytical process, carefully considering multiple factors and perspectives before arriving at a solution. This mode is particularly well suited for tasks like mathematical problem solving, logical reasoning, and code generation, where accuracy and depth of understanding are paramount. Section 5. Benchmark Supremacy, Outperforming the Titans. Qwen 3's exceptional capabilities have been rigorously tested and validated through a series of benchmarks, where it has consistently outperformed some of the most advanced AI models in the world. These benchmarks, designed to assess various aspects of language understanding and generation, provide a standardized measure of AI performance, allowing for objective comparisons between different models. In tasks such as mathematical problem solving, Qwen 3 has demonstrated remarkable proficiency, surpassing the accuracy of even specialized models designed specifically for such tasks. Its ability to understand complex mathematical concepts and apply logical reasoning has earned it accolades from the AI community, solidifying its position as a leader in the field. Furthermore, Qwen 3 has excelled in coding benchmarks, demonstrating its aptitude for understanding and generating computer code in various programming languages. Its ability to translate natural language instructions into functional code snippets highlights its potential as a powerful tool for software development and automation. Section 6. A World of Languages. Qwen 3's multilingual prowess. Qwen 3's linguistic capabilities extend far beyond a single language. It boasts support for a staggering 119 languages, encompassing a diverse range of linguistic families and writing systems. This makes Qwen 3 a truly global AI model, capable of understanding and generating text in languages spoken by billions of people around the world. This multilingual prowess opens up a world of possibilities for cross-cultural communication, information access, and knowledge sharing. Qwen 3 can seamlessly translate between languages, preserving the meaning and nuances of the original text, breaking down language barriers and fostering greater understanding between people from different linguistic backgrounds. Moreover, Qwen 3's multilingual capabilities extend beyond simple translation. It can understand and respond to queries, generate creative text formats, and perform complex reasoning tasks in multiple languages, making it an invaluable tool for a wide range of cross-lingual applications. Section 7. From mobile to supercomputer, Qwen 3's scalability. Qwen 3's versatility is further enhanced by its impressive scalability. It can be deployed on a wide range of hardware, from resource-constrained mobile devices to powerful cloud-based supercomputers, adapting to the specific requirements of each platform without compromising performance. This scalability is made possible by Qwen 3's efficient design and optimization techniques, allowing it to make the most of available computational resources. On mobile devices, Qwen 3 can leverage on-device processing power to deliver fast and responsive AI experiences, while in cloud environments, it can harness the power of distributed computing to tackle more demanding tasks. This flexibility in deployment makes Qwen 3 an ideal solution for a wide range of use cases. It can power AI-driven features on smartphones, provide intelligent assistance in edge computing scenarios, and drive large-scale data analysis and model training in cloud-based data centers, catering to the diverse needs of various industries and applications. Section 8. A myriad of applications. Qwen 3 in action. The potential applications of Qwen 3 are vast and varied, spanning across multiple industries and domains. Its ability to understand and generate human-like text, coupled with its multilingual prowess and scalability, makes it an ideal tool for a wide range of tasks, transforming the way we interact with technology and each other. In the realm of customer service, Qwen 3 can power intelligent chatbots capable of understanding and responding to customer queries in a natural and engaging manner. These chatbots can provide 24/7 support, resolve issues quickly, and enhance customer satisfaction by offering personalized and efficient interactions. In the field of education, Qwen 3 can serve as an AI-powered tutor, providing personalized learning experiences tailored to each student's needs. It can generate interactive learning materials, answer questions in a comprehensive and informative way, and provide feedback on assignments, making education more accessible and engaging. Section 9. Shaping the future of AI. Qwen 3's global impact. Qwen 3's emergence signifies more than just a technological advancement. It represents a pivotal moment in the evolution of AI, one where the balance of power begins to shift. Its open-weight nature, coupled with its impressive capabilities, challenges the dominance of closed-source AI models, paving the way for a more inclusive and collaborative AI ecosystem. By democratizing access to cutting-edge AI technology, Qwen 3 empowers researchers and developers worldwide to contribute to the advancement of AI, fostering a spirit of innovation and knowledge sharing. This open approach not only accelerates the pace of progress, but also promotes transparency and ethical considerations in AI development. Furthermore, Qwen 3's arrival underscores China's growing influence in the global AI landscape. As a product of Alibaba, one of China's tech giants, Qwen 3 showcases the country's commitment to pushing the boundaries of AI research and development, challenging the established players and contributing to the shaping of a multipolar AI.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.